Tired of manually uploading Excel files to Google Sheets every time you make a change? What if I told you there's an easy way to connect them, and every time you update Excel, Google Sheets updates automatically? Stick around. Today I'll show you how to auto-sync Excel to Google Sheets without writing a single line of code. Okay, let's jump right in. Syncing Excel to Google Sheets saves time, reduces errors, and ensures everyone sees the latest updates automatically. Here's what you need to do this. First, your Excel file is stored in OneDrive, a Google account, and of course, access to Google Sheets. Now, make sure your Excel file is saved in the cloud, not just on your computer. To save your Excel file to OneDrive, first, open your Excel file that you want to save. Click on File. Select Save As. Choose OneDrive from the list. It might show as OneDrive Personal or OneDrive your company name. Select a folder inside OneDrive or create a new one. Enter a file name like Sales Data. And click Save. Next, go to Google Sheets. Click on Extensions. Then go to Add-ons and choose Get Add-ons. Search for Sheetgo and install it. Click on Continue. It's free to start. Choose an account to continue to Sheetgo. Click on Continue. Sheetgo wants to access your Google account. Click Allow. Done. Once Sheetgo is installed, open it from Extensions. Go to Import Data from File. Click on Select Data. Now, click on Sheet File. Now choose your source file. Select OneDrive or wherever your Excel file is stored. Connect your Drive account. Set up the source and destination. Browse and select your file. Pick the entire sheet or specific range you want to import. Click on Finish and Save. Now for the magic part. Under Automation, you can schedule how often you want the sync to happen. Multiple times a day, once a day, or once a month. That way, every time your Excel file updates, your Google Sheet will update automatically. I would like to receive updates multiple times per day, ideally every hour. Please adjust the settings according to your specific requirements. Once configured, click Save to apply the changes. Now, when I add new sales numbers to my Excel file in OneDrive, Sheetgo automatically updates my Google Sheet during the next scheduled refresh. No manual uploads, no errors, everything stays perfectly in sync. To securely share your synced Google Sheet, follow these steps. First, go to File. Then click on Share. Enter a file name. Choose anyone with a link for public access, or specific people for private sharing. Ensure the access level is set to viewer to prevent others from making changes to your data. Once the permissions are set correctly, click Copy Link, then Done. You can now safely share the link. And that's it. Using Sheetgo, you can easily connect Excel to Google Sheets automatically, safely, and without any complicated coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tips from Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching.